Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a brand new syntactic improvement introduced in C#14, null-conditional assignment. To get started, make sure you have .NET SDK 9 installed in your computer. Now, let's dive right in. Open Visual Studio Code. Create a .NET project from the Explorer tab on the top left corner. Select Console App from the list. Choose a folder to save your project. Name your project and then follow my steps for the configurations. Open Program CS from the left-hand side. Let's start with the old way of doing things. First, we define a string variable. Then we check if this variable is null. If it is, we assign a value to the variable. But we can do better than this. Let me show you the improved version of the code. It does the same job with a fewer lines of code. This way, we handle both null checking and assignment in a single line. Let's see how we can use this new null-conditional assignment with a class. First, we'll define a person class to use in the example. Here is the old way of assigning a value to a person class. We first check if the person object is null, and if it is, we assign a name to it. Now let me show you a new way of doing the exact same thing. This single line handles both the null checking and the assignment. You can use the same technique with a list as well. This is the old and longer way of assigning a list to a variable when it's empty. Now here is the new way of doing the same thing in a single line. Let's see another example where you can use the null-conditional assignment in an array. As before, this is the old way of checking for null before assigning a value. And here is a shorter way of doing the same job. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.